Holiday lights and decorating? Check. Black Friday shopping? Check. Hot cocoa? Check. Monthly real estate market update? Check and check. That's right, it's December and it's time for your Coastal Living real estate market update. We've made it to the last and hopefully the best month of the year, and we are excited. The weather this week has even given us a little chill to go with all of that hot cocoa. Hello, my name is Kim Dowling, and we are here with you each and every month to recap the real estate market here on the Gulf Coast, serving Manatee, Pinellas, and Sarasota counties. I'm excited to give you the latest numbers within our stellar MLS coverage area, so let's get started and we'll take a look together. The great news is that once again, the number of residential homes sold increased for the new month by 3%. And are you ready for this crazy number? We are up over 21% from this time last year. Who could have imagined earlier this year, with all the challenges that we have faced as a community, that we would hold strong and be closing the year with a double-digit increase from 2019? I've never seen anything like it, not in my over 26 years of real estate. Now, this time of year, a lot of our clients start asking what's going to happen over the holidays. And typically, we see real estate slow down a little bit in the winter and during the holiday weeks, but our market has kept buzzing along. Our team is busy and prepared. They're ready to serve clients through the holiday season and beyond. They're ready to end the year making families happy with each and every move. Our challenge continues to be the low inventory, but the number of new listings hitting the market has increased 6% from the previous month. And believe it or not, we are holding on to a small 1% increase year over year for new listings. Pending listings have also increased 1% month over month and 17% higher from this time last year. Get ready to watch inventory make a slow and steady climb in the new year. Many sellers have been keeping a close eye on the value of their home and are considering making a move. If that sounds like you and your family, give us a call. If you are ready to upgrade, we are here to help with no obligation or pressure. We are happy to provide you with a home value report. Let's get those numbers in your hands. All right, I don't want you to worry, because we also completely understand the questions that you may be asking yourself right now. I want to sell, but where do we go? It's a record market. I should sell my house. No, wait, it's a bubble. I should wait. Prices are going to drop. This isn't going to last. It's all right. We have the answers to all of your questions. We get it. We know it can be confusing. First, without a doubt, this has been one of the absolute best times in over a decade to sell your home for profit. And the even better news is that you don't have to worry. We are here to answer all of those questions and design a plan that works perfectly for you and your family. All right, let's talk about the home prices that we're seeing that everyone's watching. When home sales rise and inventory can't keep up, home prices gain momentum, and that's what is happening for our area. Prices have continued to climb. The average closing sales price is currently 20% higher than last year, and we gained another percentage point from the previous month. It's been a rock star market for us this year. Sellers are having fun making a change. Buyers are having fun moving into new dream homes. We expect a strong winter and spring season, and we continue to be grateful to you, our clients that trust Coastal, to move them through the selling and buying process with love and with care. Let's wrap up our market update with days on market. It's currently taking less time to sell. It's a 6% drop to be exact from the previous month. Average days on market for our latest report is 46 days, and homes are selling faster than this time last year by an incredible 16%. And here at Coastal, we get to beat those numbers time and time again. Our marketing team is fantastic. I can't brag on them enough, and actually, you should hear what our sellers have to say. Our clients will really tell you the story and the inside scoop. With massive marketing customized for each and every home, we have fun beating the typical average days on market clock. Selling homes in a flash, full price offers, homes quickly under contract, multiple offers, even homes that have not sold as they sit with other agents. We just put a home on the market for sale that had been listed with another agent for over 200 days. Debbie and Carol, two of our partner agents here at Coastal, decided to raise the price by $20,000, designed a new launch with our marketing team, and they put that home under contract in one day. That's the powerhouse of a professional marketing team. We are in-house here at Coastal, telling the story of your home and blasting your listing out to buyers throughout the Gulf Coast and into the northern states. buyer demand, it's at an all-time high. That's not going anywhere, and our area is prime real estate in Florida. Did you know that right now there are about 1,000 people moving into Florida each and every day? I'm going to need to actually restock the coffee bar and caffeine at the office for our entire team. But I'm just kidding. We love what we do. We love serving you. If you have any questions about this month's report, give us a call. The statistics represent our seller MLS coverage area, and here at Coastal, we specialize in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas County. I hope you heard our announcement last month about Coastal's expansion into Pinellas County. That was exciting, and I want to thank everyone that reached out with congratulations. I appreciate all of you so much. Remember, if you're curious about the equity in your home, we are happy to run a value report for you. Feel free to reach out. And you can also visit our website at coastalluxurypartners.com or move to941.com. Stay well, and we wish you and your family all the best through this holiday season. We are a phone call away when we can be of service to you. And here's the wish that I would like to send. I am sending you wishes that this month ends the year for you on a cheerful note and makes way for a fresh and bright new year. Let's make it a December to remember.